What you don't know is, there's more to this story than meets the eye. You see, and no one's paying attention. America, you are not listening to the actual truth about Russia. Let me tell you what the actual truth is. They are trying to divide us. And not just them. This is a multi-country effort to take advantage of the United States of America while we have a turbulent, very turbulent political climate. I would ask you not to disregard anything I'm about to tell you. I would ask that you would consider all these things to be true. In our world of fake news, and in our world of lies and slander and deceit and despair, and men with orange hair who think that they know better than the entire populace of 340 plus million people. That's how it feels to me, anyway. I don't know how it feels to you, but I'm willing to talk to you. And I think that's what we need to start doing. You know what? That is... Excuse me. I'm just going to burp. Excuse me. That was my burp. I'm going to burp out 2017 because that year sucked for everybody. Republican, Democrat, everybody suffered in 2017. All these cobwebs have come out, on clearing the cobwebs, fighting corruption in government on both sides. Both sides. And it's so disturbing as just a human being who's, by the way, homeless and living in a tent and a very good entertainer and cares about people and working as Supergirl for free, trying to make people feel better. And I have no money and no job. Well, I mean, this is my job. And it's more important to do this now than to worry about, having an apartment. So I really want to just put it out there to you right now. I want all of you in the United States of America to turn on your soul. Turn on your soul. You know how Trump said turn off the lights? Well, you know what? This is what the Supergirl of San Francisco says. Turn on your soul. Turn on your souls. Turn them on and turn them on to full blast and realize and grab deep and reach down and take that red and blue. And turn it up together. Start talking to one another. Get that paint can going, fill up that red and that blue. Start to turn it in a little bit more and a little bit more. People are talking and talking and talking and singing and dancing and laughing and dreaming, and kids aren't dying and then you have this little speck of purple. 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 America, we need to be purple. We all need to take in a little purple. Not the red pill or the blue pill. It's purple. The color of unity is purple. The same color that Heather Heyer loved very much. And I wear that color in remembrance of her. It was the first murder that really just jostled me and said, I've had enough. And as a 45-year-old 80s kid, I've seen some serious shit at 88 miles per hour. So, I'm trying to warn all you Gen X kids and millennial kids and Gen 2020 kids, this 80s kid, you gotta know, man, this is wrong, man. All of this stuff is weird and whack. I hate it. I hate watching people hurt each other, damn it. I hate it when people can't see me as a human being. Because I'm light-skinned, even though I'm a mix of all different races. Look in here, right in there. I want you to look in here. And in here. I want you to see, right in here, my heart. My soul, just like my other members of my tribe. You are all of my tribe. All of you. I don't look around and I refuse. I absolutely freaking refuse to be part of whatever this bullshit is about trying to separate humanity. I refuse and reject your reality and substitute it with my own. You do not have the authority to tell me how to feel about other human beings on my planet. This is my planet in outer space. My planet. Mine. Yours. Ours. God. Humanity, when will you open your eyes and realize that there is more magic and light and life, not just inside of here and in here, but also up there? There are so many people that are witness to mysteries that don't make sense because we are living in a time of turmoil, but at the same time, there is magic, real magic and real hope and real love are real things that humans have that they can give to one another. And they can give it in a form that is comfortable for them. Whether it's praying with someone and sitting down and talking to them and trying to find out what they need in their heart, or being the doctor who finds the cure for AIDS, or being the scientist who's discovering the fifth dimension and helping us grow and evolve as a species on a planet, mentally, physically, and spiritually, knowing that magic and science and all of it are the same. They're combined. They blend together. These things that we try to, as human beings, we try to comprehend our world around us, and that's what we get. Magic and science, and faith, and hope, and rational thought, and critical thinking. All of that can be had at the same time. You do not have to separate the red and the blue. Magic and science, black and white, brown and yellow, whatever. I know it's wrong, and you know what? We're just humans on a freaking planet in outer space in the Milky Way galaxy, and the closest galaxy that we could ever go to is something like 7 light years away, right? And we can't travel there yet, and we're never gonna travel to the stars Listen to me now. Listen, and listen good, America. We are not going nowhere. And this is for the rest of the planet, by the way, too. Hello, Europe and everyone in between, Australia and Russia. And, yeah, hi. And, hello, North Korea. Hi. North Korea. Hello. I'm the Supergirl of San Francisco. Hi. South Korea. Hello. I know you guys are about to meet. So I am ecstatic. I mean, North Korea and South Korea are about to meet. Ladies and gentlemen, that is astounding. So that needs to be focused on. Oh, God. I gotta go backwards now. I'm sorry, but that's an emotional moment there for me. I think I just need to focus in this now. I think the Spirit is calling me to... I know. I'm not crazy. I have something to say. I feel light and love and hope, and I gotta get it out to all backgrounds, all faiths, science, spirit. Doesn't matter. I don't care. I am not gonna judge you, and I don't want you to judge me. I'm just on a crazy blue-green ball of earth and water and volcanic core, looking for diamonds in Murfreesboro, Arkansas, and that's it. And we're here on this planet together in outer space. We will never achieve Gene Roddenberry's vision of the future. We will never achieve Gene Roddenberry's vision of the future if we do not learn how to communicate with one another. And even if we disagree, we never, ever, ever hate or hurt. We never harm with a blade, with your fists, with rocks, with bows and arrows and slingshots and cannons and M15s and nuclear weapons, chemical warfare. That is the guilty conscience of humanity. And if this were Gene Roddenberry's Star Trek, and if this were the 24th century, even though it is the 21st century, the beginning of the end or the beginning of the beginning, depending on the decisions we make right now. So I implore you, humanity, before I run out of energy here, I implore you, you have to start talking. You have to start listening. How many more dead babies do you want? How many more people have to die on trains in Portland? How many more people have to be, killed in Parkland, Florida? How many more people have to die at the hand of a police officer or a security guard because they were too different or too dark for their tastes or like or matter, when that has nothing at all to do with what it is to be a human being? And I tell you right now, and I'm gonna just switch modes here because now I know what I need to say to all the bad cops out there. I've got your number and I've got your name, pal. You read me? Do you read me? This is for the sheriff and the police. This is for all of you in the government too. FBI, CIA, I don't really give a rat's petunia. You're gonna listen to the people and you're gonna hold yourself accountable as we hold you accountable, because we trust that you will do the right thing to keep us safe and not try to do harm to the citizens and make horrible, horrendous mistakes of humanity. Because you're human. You're not better than other people. You train for a specific job and we bless you for it, but please do not harm my people. Do not harm my people. If you have the opportunity to do something else besides taking out your gun, then that's what you do. I don't have a gun. I don't own a gun. Period. And I go around the Tenderloin in San Francisco on my own. as a transgender intersex two-spirit 45-year-old 80s kid alien from outer space. Okay? NANOO, freaking NANOO.